Hello friends, this is Dr. Nikita here, your educator, mentor and friend. And today I'm going to tell you the 4 absolute essential pillars to crack any exam, be it your NEET PG, INICD or FMG. So the 4 pillars are, first is concepts. Whatever you are learning, you need to know the concept behind it. So whatever you are reading, ask the question why. Because once you understand the concept, you don't have to mug it up. And even if the question is asked in a twisted manner, you will be able to apply that concept and you'll be able to answer that question. Second, mnemonics, easy tricks, mnemonics. So there are some areas where there are no concepts. It is just like a table that you have to learn. There's no concept there. For example, when you want to learn radiation units, there's no concept that why the radiation unit is this for a particular like radiation absorbed dose. These are just the names that you need to remember, or the confusing areas like the skull foramen name. What structure goes to what foramen. So you just need to remember them, right? There's no concept here. So that's why there the mnemonics are going to be the game changer for you. Third, revision. Now, whatever you have learned, you have to constantly revise. Your revision should start from the day 1 itself of studies. Whatever you are studying, like let's study for 1.5 hours to 2 hours and take a 10 to 15 minutes break to revise that. Whatever you study today, take out time tomorrow, at least 45 minutes to 1 hour to revise that. Whatever you study in 6 days of the week, revise it on the 7th. Trust me, if you follow this very, very religiously, you are going to be in a very good state at the end towards the exam. And the fourth and the most important pillar, which I think is where majority of the students find it difficult, is the MCQ solving skills. You've read the concepts, you've learned the mnemonics, you are revising, but when you solve the questions, when you give a mock test, that is when you do not understand that how to apply the theory that I've learned to the questions. And that is where MCQ solving skills come into play. So practicing a lot of MCQs daily, giving a lot of blank tests and mock tests right from the beginning, irrespective of whether you have finished the 19 subjects or not, that's going to be another game changer for you. So I help you with all these 4 pillars on my MedSynapse app. So where I tell you the concepts, the mnemonics, the story mnemonics, not the routine mundane ABCD mnemonics, but the story mnemonics which stay with you and which helps you to answer the questions reflexly in the exam and saves a lot of time for you. And then you have the MCQ solving skills where I conduct a lot of KBMD, Kaun Banega MD, live test and discussion sessions. We have the test, then we discuss that. So all of this is what I cater to in my MedSynapse app. So if you want to have that game changer for you, make sure you are joining me on the MedSynapse app and I'll see you there soon. Thank you.